welcome to Tom's Cubes and Games, and a quick look at the Aerobat mini drone that I'm putting up on eBay. I include all the batteries for the controller as well. It comes in a nice little box. When you open the box, bubble wrap envelope, instruction manual, English and Chinese. It's a good little manual. So it's pretty comprehensive, and it actually makes sense. Then we have the drone. And as you can see, it really is a mini drone. Now, when it comes, you get a couple of spare blades in the battery compartment, and as I say, I will include a couple of AA batteries. And there's a storage compartment with the charge cable, blade guards, and knobs for the control sticks. Now I'm going to put those spare blades away straight away safely. By the way, if you get the lids sliders muddled up, when you're looking down at the back, the right hand side where it protrudes, that matches that part, and same on the left. So close the battery compartment, those are safely away in the storage compartment. I'll charge it after I've used it. These just push on. You don't have to push them too hard. Once they're on, they stay on quite well. As I say, you don't have to push them hard. And when you're done, you just gently sort of twist it and pull it off. The blade guards slide down from the top. There's a little gap they slide into. You can just push the blade out of the way if it's in the way. And the same when you're removing it, you can just push the blade out of the way if you need to. Right, so once you've got your batteries in, and presumably you've charged it, you turn on the drone, put it on a flat surface, you take your controller, and with the left stick push up and down. Help if I turned it on. There's the on off switch. You get the LED. So yeah, up and down. That pairs it with the controller, and it's ready to go. So I can just press up throttle, motors start, and I can take off. Now, if it crashes heavily and loses its gyroscope calibration, you just press the left stick down left and the right stick down right, and that will recalibrate the gyros. done. I didn't need to do that just now, but that's how you do it if you should crash it badly, and that's it. And it flies really well. It keeps its height. It'll do 360-degree rolls. Flies really well. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to fly it to run out the battery, and then I'll show you charging it, and see you shortly. The battery gets low, the LED. Yeah, so the LEDs start to flash on low battery. It's been flying 7 minutes, and it's still got a bit of juice left. Whoops! I just crashed that straight away. Right, now the battery's finally given out 7 minutes and 10 seconds. So you're going to get at least 5 minutes and up to 7 minutes, depending on what speed setting you've got and how many 360-degree rolls and things like that you do. I had it on the slower setting for 7 minutes. Right, so I've got to charge the battery now, so let's turn off the controller. Switch off the drone itself. Right, so we need to charge the battery now. So we need a USB-A socket for charging. The charger it comes with just goes straight in that little hole above the switch, and it fits a standard USB-A socket. And when I switch on the power, we should get a red LED. And hopefully you can see that there, red LED. That's on solid, so let's time that. Now, just for purposes of seeing the charging current, I'm going to plug it into this meter. I've plugged in a meter so we can see the current it takes while charging. It fluctuates a little bit, so we still have our solid LED light, and we have up to 5 volts and up to sort of 3 amps, 0.3 amps. So we have roughly maxing out at 1.5 watts, and it's hovering around 1 watt a lot. So it's a nice, safe, low current. It's a lithium polymer battery in here, so they're much safer and stable, more stable than lithium ions. Yeah, safe. It took 45 minutes to charge. When it's charged, the LED light goes out and it stops drawing power. Right, this is going up on eBay. Link to my eBay page in the description, and there's games consoles and other fantastic stuff. Thanks for watching. Bye.